The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE is a superb mid-range phone offering great tech at a reasonably affordable price. And to help me illustrate that point, I've ordered a pizza. The Galaxy S20 FE is great. It's got a lovely screen, plenty of power, a good battery and 3 rear cameras. It's not up there with the best of the smartphone world, then it's really not supposed to be. Instead, what this offers is a great all-round phone experience at a price which is a lot more affordable than its flagship siblings. It's just like this pizza. Now, sure, I could have gone to the best restaurant in town, serving the best ingredients by the most talented chefs, made a whole show of going out for the absolute luxury in food. But I don't need that, not today anyway. What I need is something delicious, something that ticks all my boxes. Boxes of lovely hot melting cheese, delicious pepperoni, and of course I get to be at home sitting comfortably while I enjoy it. It's the perfect compromise. The Note 20 Ultra and S20 Ultra are the fancy Michelin star restaurants. They've got the biggest displays with the highest resolutions. They've got the best camera setups. Tech-wise, they're at the top of their game. The S20 FE cuts out a lot of that razzle-dazzle and in so doing slices a lot off the asking price. The S20 FE is this pizza, still delicious but a lot more accessible. Okay, so putting aside my awesome food analogy, what are the compromises you'll be making to save that money? Well, the camera resolutions are lower and you don't get advanced features like the 100x super zoom of the S20 Ultra or things like 8K video recording. But you really won't miss those, and this thing can still take some great images. You still get a 3x zoom, which works well, and a super wide angle lens for capturing everything in your scene. The back is plastic, not glass, but this frosted effect could easily fool you into thinking it is glass, and it still feels really nice to hold. It's water resistant too, so spilled drinks are not a problem. The processor is the same Snapdragon 865 chip found in the Ultra, meaning this can chew through demanding gaming without breaking a sweat, and the battery is bigger than the S20 Ultras and can easily get you through a whole day of mixed use without you worrying about it conking out. So no, the Galaxy S20 FE is not a revolution in mobile technology. What it is a solid all-round phone at a more affordable price, making it the phone to go for if you've got your heart set on a flagship but just can't quite stomach emptying your entire bank balance in order to get one. But what do you think of the Galaxy S20 FE? Is a more affordable price important for you, or are you still saving up those pennies to get the flagships? Do make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to CNET for a lot more.